What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting some hubs on that guy behind me. Well, hubs and bearings on that guy behind me. It's going to be a little informative. I don't know, it's going to be kind of quick and rushed because it was a pain in the butt trying to do this camera thing by myself on top of recording the install and everything. But hopefully you can get some good information from it, and I hope you enjoy the video. Let's jump on in. I wonder how bad this side is. Let's see. No matter. Oh crap. I guess it's time to fix something today. So leaving this thing sitting around. Let's get to work. Alright, boys and girls, we finally got our part. That bearing is just kinda, oh, hear that. It's spent. I did order new hubs. Which I'm kinda glad I did because the new bearings, I don't know if you can see the difference here, but well, about that, boys. And then you go over here, bam, she's nice and tight. So, glad I ordered the new hubs. Plus, it's time to just go ahead and get some new studs and everything for it. I didn't realize this wasn't like the rear. Gonna be doing a lot of pressing, but that's okay. This makes the job a whole lot easier. As you can see, this one, it's the original. It's wore. You can see the fine groove right there. Hold on, get it up. You can see right there. I may need it. So you can hear my fingernail drag across that. It was time. It's time for hubs. These are probably the original ones back from when it was first produced. It really is time for rotors too, but we're gonna send that with the new pads. I ain't worried about that. That is gonna make this a whole lot easier and a lot faster. I'm gonna be ready to rip and tear stuff up again. Of course, I'm gonna probably give her a little spritz and, you know, get her all cleaned up and make her look good. Do the same thing I did to the rear, to the front, which I think I got a video on that. I can't remember. It was bad. The rear is the reason why I'm doing this instead of reusing this. So stay tuned. Let's get all this blown apart, and we'll get all this magic happening right here. I don't really know what I'm gonna do about pressing all this apart. I think I'm just gonna take the old Molly Whopper 9000 and make that come apart, and then Molly Whop that boy right there into that. I don't know yet. Stay tuned. We're gonna see how this goes. We may just end up having to go get a press. All right, so I tried forcibly feeding the bearings out. Not the best idea. Wasn't working. So now we're gonna go over to my father-in-law's house, and we're gonna utilize his little Harbor Freight or Northern Tool press. It's not anything crazy, anything fancy, but it works great for what I need, and it'll get those bearings right out. I got the new ones laying right here. Where you at? In the floor. We're gonna take them over there. I don't think I'll have to press them in. I can probably just take a hammer and tap those in. I'm not too worried about them. I'm more worried about the ones that are stuck in the actual knuckle. Word of the wise, if you own a 08 Razor and that sucker's never had bearings put in it, or the person that owned it before you didn't take good care of it, just buy everything new. I bought new knuckles. I bought new hubs. I bought new studs. I bought new bearings. I didn't buy new knuckles just because I thought, I don't think I'll have to go that far because they shouldn't be stuck that bad. But they stuck bad. I'm over with a solid punch, just whacking the crap out of them. They ain't moving an inch. I'm not even breaking the rust and dirt that's built up on the edge of them off. So we're just going to take a press and give it a little bit of persuasion. Hopefully they'll fall right out. If not, I'm just going to order new knuckles because I'm not going to go through all this hassle. I'm not getting a torch. I'm not going to heat them up. I'm not going to do anything with that. I'm just going to throw them away, start fresh, and move on. So let's get on over here. Let's get that done. I may do a little shooting while I press them out, just to kind of give y'all an idea of what to do. But we'll be back here in a little bit, hopefully putting those hubs back on and putting everything back together and putting it back down on the ground and getting it ready to ride this weekend, because I definitely want to take it out. It's supposed to be kind of wet this weekend, so knock a lot of dust down in the trails and won't have to worry about that. I'm hoping to get some good footage. I'm actually getting another laptop here soon. That way I can utilize my GoPro and my other camera that I have, because I do this all on my phone. So hang tight, we're on our way over there. Pick you up when we get there. All right, guys, I ain't gonna lie, this was a process, but it's done, and it looks 100 times better with the new parts. It even feels a lot better. Well, I hope it does with brand new parts on it. But oh yeah, that bearing is a lot smoother. But let's take a look. I was gonna do an install video, but it's just too hard to juggle this camera and show you guys. There's not really much to putting all this stuff on, in all honesty. This piece, if you take the axle out, or the axle nut loose and take the axle out, this hub actually just slides right off. Should slide right out of the bearing on these 08s. Of course, you got this bolt here, that one right there, and then the tie rod. And of course, if you have four-wheel drive, which mine's broke, you gotta take that loose, as well as this brake. There's really not much to it. It's very simple. Mine are aged enough, they just came right out. I didn't have to hit it or nothing. They all fell apart perfectly. Look, that new hub looks good on there. It's a lot better. Oh yeah, there we go. I'm gonna come over here to this one. Oh yeah, that's 100 times better. Let's went ahead and put some new studs in it. I gotta get some new studs for this spacer, because they're all broke. Not on this one, these are actually fine. Come on this side, you can see, yeah, bam, that one right there, that one right there, and those two are okay. It's fine though. We're gonna throw her all the bean and hope for the best. You know, give a little spritz of that skinny pedal up there, hope for the best. I got to still, because it keeps draining all the brake fluid every time we ride it. I got a brake line back there leaking. I'm gonna crimp it off and just have three-way brakes instead of all fours, which is not a problem. Every one of them got brand new pads. I just put these on when I got it. So everything's pretty much new. I'll go ahead and get some new lines and get that resolved. But thank you for watching. Y'all take care and have a wonderful night.